You know what? Let's just cut to the chase. Welcome to the course that you've all been waiting for, the complete developer's guide to Solidity, Ethereum, and blockchain. Blockchain technology has disrupted the world and set it on fire. Even if you aren't involved in Web3, you're either aware of this technology or soon will be. It's the tech underlying cryptocurrencies, smart contracts, and NFTs. The technology is real, it's disruptive, and it's now being adopted by big companies all over the world. Did you know that Walmart now uses blockchain tech for their supply chain? Who knows where it will be 5 years from now? But we're not here to tell you what is or isn't a fad. We're here to teach you in-demand skills so that you're able to build your dream career. And there's no skill more in demand or as exciting than blockchain at the moment. So we set out to create the best resource for you to learn exactly the skills you need to become a blockchain developer. And, well, here it is. Now, follow me down the rabbit hole. First, this course is going to teach you everything there is to know about blockchain and Ethereum so that you have the foundation needed to succeed. Then we're going to dive into skills that will land you a blockchain development career by teaching you to become a master of Solidity, the key programming language used for writing smart contracts. This course will give you all the tools you need to master Solidity. And to really ensure you have a deep enough understanding to work in this field, you're even going to create your own ERC20 token using Solidity. Getting your hands dirty in building is where you will get to have fun and solidify your skill. Get it? Pretty awesome, right? But hold on to your hats because we're going to take you even further down the rabbit hole. You're going to enter the world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, by designing and implementing your own stablecoin. Finally, here's your instructor, Marcus. There's no better person in the world to learn this topic than from Marcus. He has been active in the blockchain world for over a decade now. Yes, that's a long time, practically since the beginning of the blockchain technology. He has worked full-time as a blockchain engineer and consultant, so you know he will teach you the most relevant, up-to-date information and precisely what you need so that you can work as a blockchain and smart contract developer. Here we go, it's finally time. Hope you're excited, and we'll see you inside.